Put it in your bucket.
Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Hillary, over here, look.
Put it in your bucket.
Hillary, get to the last of
Put it in your bucket, Grace.
I get it.
Good job, Hillary.
Look at sun here. What's
I don't know. Put it in your bucket.
Look.
I don't know. Gracie, look at you go. Put it in your bucket, Grace.
What's in there?
I don't know.
I got it.
Oh, good job.
I have to put those away so the Gracie can those. She can just.
Okay.
Put in your bucket, Grace. Oh, what's in there? Put in your bucket. We'll get another one, baby.
I got egg.
Good job, Gracie. Put it in your bucket.
Gracie's got more hair. Maybe she's concentrating on these. Okay.
The egg has been waiting.
She's okay, honey. She can have those too. She's excited.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Gracie,
what you got? That's alright, Hillary.
What's egg? This one's the egg. I thought it was
Oh, Hillary, let her have it. Let her have one of them. There you go. Thank you. Pick it up and put it in your bucket. Put them in your bucket, Hillary.
No, I'll put it away. The Gracie can't.
What'd you do? Did you see any more? Let me see how many eggs you got in there. Wow. Wow. Gracie, there's more over here. Go over by toys. There's all kinds over there.
I got mine. That's Gracie's.
Hillary, is there more in the toys?
Yeah.
I